Buller's Wood is no ordinary school. We have an outstanding reputation as a school that is caring and aims to deliver the best possible education to all of our students in a safe and secure environment. We pride ourselves on our well-established traditional values, academic achievements and high quality care, and we are also an innovative school, constantly looking for ways of improving what we do. Our students are encouraged to have a strong belief in their ability, constantly strive for improvement and to treat others the way they would like to be treated themselves. We place great emphasis on creating an environment where students are confident, happy and valued. Opportunities are available to develop and nurture the strengths and talents of all our students, ensuring that a sense of enjoyment is developed in their learning.
We are extremely proud of the excellent pastoral care we provide for all our students at Buller's Wood. Form tutors remain with their form groups from years 7 to 11, which is a unique feature of our school. We also have a fantastic house system named after 8 inspirational women, which enables students to work with other year groups through our house competitions, sports day and charity events. We have the highest expectations of all students in terms of uniform, behaviour for learning, and through demonstrating mutual respect. As our school motto states, we want all members of our school community to strive to their utmost.
At Buller's Wood, our curriculum is designed so that all of our students can enjoy academic success. It is challenging, enriching and diverse. We have a culture of encouraging our young people to invest in a broad and balanced range of academic interests so that they have the critical thinking skills and the independence of thought that they need when they start to specialise in their studies and to prepare for university, training and employment. Our vision is to inspire a lifelong love of learning.
I think the greatest thing about our school is the sense of community. I vividly remember feeling so happy during my first few days in Year 7. The teachers were friendly and the older students were happy to help me if I was struggling with finding my way around the school or with not understanding a piece of homework. I learned how to develop new relationships and share my enthusiasms with new people, which has led to so many new opportunities. Buller's Wood puts your daughter's education and the development of her personality first, and I know that your daughters will flourish if you choose Buller's.
One of the best things about working at Buller's Wood is the great sense of community. We have a shared identity as a school, and as a staff we build positive relationships with students both inside and outside the classroom. We are lucky to be able to offer a wide range of extracurricular activities, from sports teams to orchestras, bands to film crew. Through shared interests fostered by our dedicated staff, students build meaningful friendships with their peers. They make bonds for life through shared experiences such as the Year 8 trips to France and Germany, Duke of Edinburgh expeditions, music tours and ski trips.
At Buller's Wood, we have a dedicated sixth form team ready to support our students as they develop into young adults. Our focus is not only on helping students achieve their academic potential, but also encouraging them to explore their new independence and enhance their cultural capital by making the most of opportunities to go beyond the curriculum within and outside of school. We have a supportive programme to enable students to make the right choices about their next steps, whether that is university, apprenticeships or the workplace. Every year we say goodbye to successful and confident students who are ready to meet the challenges of the world beyond Buller's Wood.
As a student here for nearly 7 years, I can happily say this is a place of great education and pastoral care. Our school motto, "Strive to your utmost," is something staff push us to achieve. We are guided and encouraged to work to the peak of our ability in order to achieve the best outcome for ourselves. Each student is individually moulded through their time at Buller's Wood. by the constant care and compassion of our teachers, who support us in every aspect of our time here. We are all given an endless array of opportunities and new experiences inside of school and out. And I can surely say Bullerswood is an amazing place to go to school, and I will cherish my time here forever.
We recognise that what has been created at Bullers is outstanding, and by working in partnership with parents and carers, we lay the most solid of foundations for our students' lives. We know that our time together at Bullerswood is well spent, that it matters, and that what we do makes a difference.